Why do some people understand money and most people don't? It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's just information. The right information, explained the right way. Most business and money content is either too complicated, too boring, or made for people who already know everything. The Smart Stick is different. Every week, we take the biggest business stories, money moves, and economic events happening right now and break them down so simply a stickman could explain it. How did SpaceX raise $75 billion in one day? Why did Apple charge you $300 more for the same laptop? How does one chip shortage affect everything you own? Whether you're a student trying to understand the economy, an entrepreneur watching markets, or just someone who wants to know how the world of money actually works, this channel will make you the smartest person in the room, without the MBA. New video every week. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because in business and money, the people who understand what's happening first always win. The Smart Stick. Business, money, explained simply.